Good morning. So we've talked about how a small little mirror, about this big, can help save your life. But what about a little whistle like this? These whistles right here I actually really like. They're pretty cool. They have a clip on them so you can actually clip them to your pants. But you can also strap them to your bag or keep them in your kit. In any case, these whistles are extraordinarily loud. Now, they're supposed to be able to be heard upwards of a mile away in decent conditions. Now, that's going to, the lay of the terrain and where you're at is going to affect that, obviously. On open water, I'd say easily a mile, mile and a half. In dense woodland like this, I'd say more along the lines of half a mile, 3/4 of a mile, something like that. In any case, let's do a quick test, see if we can hear this. I've got a camera set up way down the way yonder, and let's see if we can pick this up. While I'm waiting to see if that camera even picked it up, you need to know how to use the sound from this whistle to convey to your rescuers or to convey to somebody that you're in distress and you're not just some kid out in the woods playing with his dad's whistle. So the standard distress signal that you need to remember is 3 short, 3 long, and 3 short. That's Morse code for an SOS. So I'm going to try and do it quietly so I don't take off somebody who's through the woods, but it's going to be something along the lines of this. And that's a Morse code for SOS. Another thing that you should try to remember is 3 consecutive bursts, so just 3s. You wait about 5 seconds, 10 seconds, do it again. Now the louder you make them, the better. And that's really all it is to a whistle. If you're out and you know your rescuers are looking for you and you can hear them coming, you can hear them calling for you, blow your whistle, do the 3s. Or do the SOS, the Morse code SOS. But remember, the SOS is 3 short, 3 long, and 3 short. And that's really all of this video. Nice short one. Keep it simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you haven't already, hit the bell ding-a-ling icon down below. I'll see y'all in the next video.